So Bill, wrapping up week one,
Yeah.
give us your impressions.
I mean, it's been a great, warm welcome by the 3M folks that I've met. It's been terrific. So I spent a few days in labs. I saw the Innovation Center. I went to a factory. I've had some business reviews. It's really helping me focus on the two things I really want to spend time on. One is, how do you drive innovation to drive top line organic growth? And how do you do that? And how do we inspire that? You know, and the second is how do we improve our OpEx, operational excellence culture, and drive more performance out of our supply chain? And that's why I'm spending time in the labs and in the factories.
Has anything surprised you? Did you see something go, oh my gosh?
The innovation's not just in the end product of what you're selling to the customer. There's a ton of innovation and creativity and technical know-how in the manufacturing processes to make it. The sophistication of the manufacturing, how you calibrate things to develop these very intricate films is mind-boggling. So I didn't appreciate that coming in, but that's certainly a key part of how we deliver value to the end customers.
Yeah. But popular appeal, 3Mers want to know. You're the new guy. What should they know about your management style?
First of all, I care deeply about people. And really a big responsibility of management is making sure people are safe. So I do think we have a big opportunity to improve safety in our factories. I want to make sure that people feel valued and engaged in achieving their career aspirations within 3M. So I want to make sure I'm focusing a lot on the people in the organization and the talent. That's going to be very, very important. I'm direct, I'm transparent. I think I ask a lot of questions because partly what I'm trying to do is understand and challenging all of us, as we should be challenging ourselves. You know, why do we do things the way that we do them? Can they be done better? It's in the spirit of continuous improvement. You know, all of our 60,000 plus employees, how do we continue to drive continuous improvement in everything that we do and how we deliver value to the customers? So I ask a lot of questions. So you'll hear me in meetings doing that.